Now question number 8 is AP consists 50 terms of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. So find 29 term. Same question as question number 7. We find 29 term. So we write A plus 28 B. So what we need value of A and D. So information is given total number of terms. Okay. So it is AP consists 50 terms. Here third term A3 is given equals to third term is 12. So we write A plus 2B equal 12. This is our equation first. And how many terms? 50 terms AP consists. So 50 is our last term. So A50 is what? We write A plus 49B equal what? 106. Okay, this is our equation second. So what we do? We solve these two equations and find value of A and D by elimination method. So negative, negative, negative. So A minus M becomes 0 and 2D minus 49D we get negative of 47D and 12 minus 106 it becomes minus 94. So this is what? Minus 94 upon minus 47. So this is what? Minus to minus cancel and equal 2. So what we do? We put value of the equation first, so second we get value of A. So put D equal to in equation first. First is what? A plus 2 into value of D is what? 2 equal 12. So A plus 4 equal 12. So A equals 12 minus 4. So simply A equal 8. So A equal 8 and D equal 2. So we find hence 29th term. We can write into this form A29 equal A plus 28D. So value of A is 18 plus 28 into D is what? 2. So 8 as it is. 8 to the 16, so 56. So 56 and 8 we get 64. It means this implies 29th term of given AP B 64. Okay, so this is our question number 8. Now take another question, question number 9. Question number 9 is what? If the third term and ninth term of AP is 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of AP is 0? Same as this question here given we find which term is equals to 0. So here given third term. Question 9. So third term it means A3. A3 is equals to what? 4. So we write A plus 2B. This is our equation first. And ninth term it means A9. A9 we write A plus 8B. It is equals to minus 8. So this is our equation second. So first we find how many terms. We find value of A and D and we take nth term of this series is 0. Okay, what we take? Let nth term equal 0. It means A is equals to 0. Simply nth term is what? N equals 0. So we need value of A and D. So we find how number of terms, which term? N. We find value of N. So first we find value of A and B, then we put here, so we get value of N. So what we do? We use the elimination method to solve it. So negative, negative, and this become positive because we are negative, so it become positive. A minus A becomes 0. 2D minus 8D it become minus 6D equal 4 plus 8 we get 12. Okay, because it is positive. So this is what? 12 upon minus 6. So D equal minus 2. Okay, so we put this D equal minus 2 in equation first. We get value of A. So put D equal minus 2 in equation first. So A plus 2 into minus 2 equal 4. So A minus 4 equal 4. So A equal 4 plus 4. So simply 8 minus 2 multiplied with n, we get minus 2n, and minus minus plus 2 equal 0. So simply 10 equal 2n, so 10 upon 2 equal n, so simply n equal 5. This implies fifth term of this series. What? Fifth term of this series is 0. We write this implies fifth term of AP is 0. Clear? Now I take another question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is what? If 17 term of AP exceed its 10 term by 7, find the common difference. It is very easy question. What? Question number 10 is what? If 17 term, it means given, what given? 17 term, it means A17. Okay? Is exceed its 10th term by 7. It means in 10 terms of 7 time more exceed. Okay? So we find value of D simply. So what we do? Here A17 we write A plus 16D. Similarly A10 A plus 9D plus 7. So here A to A cancel out, we got value same, and 16D minus 9D because we shift this 9D negative, so equals, so 17 equals 7, so D is equals 7 upon 7, so simply D is equals to 1. So common difference is what? 1. This is very easy question for you. Now question number 11 is what? Which term of AP 350, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? Okay? Okay, so simply this question we can solve by following process. Question number 11. 11, okay? So 11 is what? This AP is given 350, 27, 29 and so on. Okay? And which term of this series will be 132? Okay? More than its 54th term. Okay? So we let that term be A. We let this term is A. So A is what? A is 54 more than 132. Okay, 132 more than 54. The term we let this term is A. Now we find value of N. So value of N first we find. Simply A is what? A plus N minus 1D, and A54 is what? A plus 53D plus 132. So simply A to A cancel out. So and value of D is also given. Okay, value of D is what? 15 minus 3. So it becomes 12. So D is what? 12. So here A minus 1 into 12 equals 53 into 12 plus 132. So simply it becomes 12n minus 12 equal, we multiply 53 into 12, 12 3s are 36, 3 remaining, 12 5 plus 60 and 3 is 63 plus 130. So simply 12n minus 12 equal, it becomes 8, 6 and 7. 7, 6, 8. So 12n equals 7, 6, 8 plus 12. So 12n equals 8 to 10, 0, 1, 7, 1, 8, 7, 8. So 7, 68. Okay. So simply 12 n equal what? 170 upon 12. So n equal, so 780 upon 12. So 12 is the 12. 12. 7 6 are 72. 6 remaining and it becomes 60. So 12 is 60. So value of n is what? 65. Okay. So 65 is our which term of AP will be 132 more than its 54 term. So 65. Now which term? So 65th term will be 132 more than its 54